Many of the library's electronic resources, including online articles from newspapers and journals and ebooks, are made available through database subscriptions paid for by the college. As a student at CUNY, you should never pay for access to an electronic article because you probably already have access through the many subscriptions that we have here at CUNY. How do you access them? First, you must start at the Gutman Library homepage. You can access electronic sources either by going directly to the database, which are listed on the Database A to Z page, or by searching in OneSearch, our default search on our homepage. OneSearch is called a discovery layer because it allows you to search many of Gutman's subscription databases at once. It's a good place to start if you're just beginning your research or you're just trying to get an idea of what has already been published on your topic. Let's do an example. I put in my key terms, climate change, and now I'm looking at my results. Like I said before, when I do a search in OneSearch, I'm searching across many databases at once, so I'll get a lot of results. I can narrow my results by using these facets on the side. See, is where it says filter my results. But I can also just go ahead and search. So let's say I was interested in this book, Climate Change. I click on it. And I'm looking for the link that says available online. When I click on this, it's going to send me to the database, eBook Central Academic Complete, where I can find this actual book. So when I click on that, be prompted to insert my username and password, which is my CUNY First ID and password. So what I use to log into Blackboard is what I also use to log in to the library's databases. You can see once I logged in using my CUNY First at cuny.login.edu login, I have left OneSearch and I'm now in the database eBook Central. I can begin reading this book, Climate Change, online or download specific chapters. If you have many more questions about how to use databases from off-campus, feel free to reach out to a librarian. We're here to help. Our contact information is on our homepage.